welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. We're back today with another product review. I got this stuff from Chemical Guys. It is the Diablo wheel cleaner, and I figured my cars stay pretty clean. The Mustang stays clean, the Pathfinder stays clean, but this Cruise, on the other hand, has been sitting outside in all the elements for I'd probably say over a year before it's actually had a good wash. So the wheels are filthy. So I figured to test this stuff, might as well test it out on the car that's really dirty, and we'll see how well it actually works. All right, so looking at the car, the back is not too bad because this car actually has drum brakes on the back, so it doesn't leave as much brake dust. It all gets caught in the drum. But if we come up to the front here, you can see just how nasty these actually are. This is all brake dust on here. You can see if I wipe it, just how much is actually on there. So I figure this is the ultimate test. It basically says to spray it on, scrub it down, and rinse it off. So you can see by the looks of my finger with just one wipe, it is definitely caked on there. So let's go find out just how well this works. All right, so like I said, it is the Diablo wheel cleaner. You can see it says here, wicked strong. It is a Chemical Guys product. And then spot free, removes brake dust fast, great for wheels or tires and wheels. So they do make this in a gel. This particular one is the spray bottle. I believe the gel, or whatever you want to call it, is kind of a more potent version. You mix it 50-50 or something like that with water, but that's way too much work for me. I'm pretty lazy, so I'm going to test out the spray bottle version. You can see it's pretty runny in there. It's probably the mixture that they call for on the other one already mixed. All right, and now as always in these videos, before we actually use this stuff, follow the directions. Everything is a little bit different. I know a lot of people complain on some of my videos that it didn't work, and you clearly just didn't use the instructions. So it says directions right here: shake well, spray the wheel cleaner onto the wheels, tires, and suspension components, scrub using a brush, and rinse for a spot-free shine. Then it says you can apply some of their wheel guard for extra protection afterwards, but we're not doing that today because we're just going to check out how this stuff works. So it's super hot outside. I'm going to roll the car out. I'll do this first before I wash the rest of the car, but the overall after video is going to be when the whole car is done being washed, because it's super hot outside and I don't want to leave this thing baking in the sun. All right, back in the garage, the car is washed. The wheels, I did just what you saw in the video, just like the bottle said. Spray it, agitate it with a brush. Only other thing I did was with the glove. I actually washed in between the little nicks and crannies because that wheel brush is made more for the rubber, not for the face of the rim, or in this case, hubcap. So it couldn't get into the corners as well. But you guys could see in the video, it did pretty short work of that brake dust, and it was really on there. You can actually see it's been on there so long, this is actually stained. That won't wash off. That's actually etched itself right into the rim or into the hubcap. Luckily, this car being so cheap, these are just hubcaps if you really wanted to. Take them off, get a new set, pop them back on, and you'll be good as new. But as for the wheel cleaner itself, if you're to be using this on a rim that's covered in brake dust, I would say 100% get a bottle, because as you can see, I wasn't scrubbing hard, I was just wiping the face down, and for the amount that was on there, like I said, I made pretty short work of it. Other than just hosing her down after, nothing else was touched. If we come to the back, they were actually pretty clean, so I didn't end up using this stuff on there, just so we could see, because it said it would give it a bit of a shine. And if you look, the tires look much more dull on the back, as well as the face of the hubcap itself. Obviously, having not as much brake dust, soap and water wash it off just fine. But you can see it's definitely not as shiny and new looking as the front. So definitely get a little bit of shine like the bottle says. Not as much as if you were to put a tire dressing on or something, but it does give it that nice new fresh look to it. And that is it, guys. As you can see, I recommend grab a bottle of this stuff. They sell it everywhere now. It's not like a limited supply or anything like that. You can pick it up at almost any store that sells products like this. Have Chemical Guys wheel cleaner. Get it at Walmart, Canadian Tire, anywhere, or order it even on Amazon if you want, and have it in your garage for this case. And as for me, that's it for this video. I'm going in to have a shower because this isn't water, this is sweat. I got booby sweat, I got butt sweat. Time to get out of the hot garage, rinse off, and enjoy the rest of my day. So like and subscribe. Hopefully we catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.